Hello, my name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. And I am honoured to be your guide here today for this calming colour visualization meditation. I invite you to become comfortable, checking in with the body and gently adjusting your posture if needed. Become aware of your breath. Just observe how your breath flows throughout your body, observing where you first noticed this breath in your body. It may be as the breath flows through the nostrils, or you may notice the chest or abdomen rise and fall as you breathe. Become aware of how the breath flows down through the body on the in-breath and how it moves out through the body on the out-breath. You may like to place your hand on your abdomen or chest and feel the sensation of the rise and fall of these areas. You can consciously control the flow of your breath. Let's try something here. Deepen your breath, and on your next in-breath, breathe through the nose and down through the throat, chest, and abdomen. Hold for a moment. And breathe out long and slow, letting all the air out. Repeat this breathing cycle for 2 more breaths, allowing your body to relax on each exhale. Now return your breathing to its natural rhythm as you continue to observe your breath, relaxing the body more and more on each exhale, allowing gravity to sink the body into the surface below. Allow the relaxation to occur naturally. Allow and observe. Create a picture in your mind of the colour red. Imagine red of all shades. You might picture red objects, a red landscape, or just a solid colour. Imagine all the different tones of red: roses, apples, sunset. Enjoy the colour red as you relax more and more. Now allow the colour you are imagining to change to orange. Picture the colour orange. Infinite shades of orange. Flowers, pumpkins, carrots. Fill the entire visual field of your mind's eye with the colour orange. Enjoy the colour orange as you continue to relax. Visualize the colour yellow. See in your imagination all the various shades of yellow. Allow yellow to fill your vision. Lemons, flowers, autumn leaves. Imagine the endless tones of the colour yellow. Imagine yourself surrounded with the calming colour yellow. Immerse yourself. Enjoy the colour yellow. Let the colour you are imagining become green. Fill your imagination with the colour green. Endless shades and tones of green. Plants, leaves, grass. Imagine being surrounded by beautiful green. All shades from the lightest to the darkest. Bright green, subdued green. Enjoy green. Now see in your mind the colour blue. Surround yourself with beautiful blue. Unending shades of blue. Water, sky. Imagine blue filling your vision. Enjoy the colour blue. Allow the colour in your imagination to become violet. Focus on the multitude of purples around you. Flowers, eggplant, sunrise. Immerse yourself in the colour violet. Enjoy violet. Now allow your attention to return to your breathing. Notice how calm and regular your breathing is now. Meditate on this calming colour relaxation once more. Imagine the colours again, one at a time, starting with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, now picture whatever calming colour you wish. Do you have a favourite? Or a colour that suits your mood right now? Imagine whatever colours you like. Allow your mind to be relaxed, focused, and calm. Enjoy the feeling of relaxation you are experiencing here right now, imagining whatever colour or colours you like. Gently begin to bring yourself back into the room, returning the energy to the body, maybe moving the hands and fingers, and when you're ready, open your eyes.